Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. We had an amazing volatility today in the market, and I hope guys you had a bank amazing profit. Most of my traders bank 100 plus pips today, and let me share with you how I helped them to bank those amazing pips today through live intraday analysis in real time. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move to the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD in 4-hour chart, as you have seen in my yesterday analysis review, we were long from yesterday from this level. And if you haven't seen that video, link is given in the video description. So we were long from yesterday after this the news release. So we were long, and today, as always, after this breakout, we were expecting a pullback. Pretty straightforward. As you can see here, price nicely broken. We had a beautiful pullback long trade here, and we keep enjoying pullback long trade in intraday and really enjoyed it. Let me share with you how I analyze market in intraday and refine the entries and the exit. If you look at the intraday analysis from yesterday, you can see here we were long here, and today, as always, after the breakout, once the price broken the previous high, just before London Open, as you can see around 742, explained to my trader we are expecting a long trade here if the price gonna be staying above this level, so we long here. Otherwise, if the price gonna break this level and retest, then we're looking short. Otherwise, first priority pullback. Once the price develop pullback and you can see a triple top at the support level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy the ride. So we had such a beautiful long trade here. As soon as the price hit the first profit target, explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit. And after banking some profit at the New York session, explained to my trader, guys, the major structure is broken, so just keep taking a pullback. That's what I explained to my trader. Look, another pullback, another pullback. So based on the momentum, as soon as the price hit to the profit target, which is over red fib channel, explained to my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. Amazing trade on Euro USD, guys, beautiful. Let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward, guys. As you can see here from yesterday, we were long in 4-hour, and as always after this breakout, so we were expecting another pullback. So we have taken all these possibilities and pulled back long trade and bank amazing profit. Let me share with you how I analyze market in intraday. As you can see here, just before London Open, around 746, explained to my trader we have this price broken the previous high, so we are looking a pullback. As you can see here, price nicely developed pullback here, and based on the momentum, that was the first priority. As soon as the price hit to the first target, bank some profit. And afterwards, another analysis at the New York session, explained to my trader, just guys keep taking a pullback. As mentioned, pullback can perform orange EMA, pullback can perform here or here, because we mainly interested about long trade towards the momentum, towards the trend. As you can see, once the price was developing pullback, we broadcast that information through live audio commentary. And this one also, as soon as the price hit to the profit target, major big psychological number 137 level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So you can see, guys, amazing trade today on pound dollar. Dollar CAD, amazing trade too. As you can see in 4-hour chart, we were short from yesterday, and once the price broken the previous low, as you can see, there's no obstacle here, and explain to my trader, free traffic. So just keep taking a pullback. Every time where the price develop pullback, just keep taking it. We had amazing trade. Let me share with you how I analyze market in intraday. If you look at in intraday analysis, we had amazing trade. So yesterday we were short here, as mentioned here. You can see after this news we had a beautiful pullback, and today just before London Open, 7:54, explained to my trader, look for pullback, only look for pullback. So you can see here, this pullback is performed, announced through live audio commentary. We have another pullback which is announced through live audio commentary, beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit, and let's wait for the New York session. And as you can see here at the New York session, just before the opening bell, explained to my trader, as long as the momentum is bearish, we are expecting a pullback, first priority. We have another pullback, and all pullback target was 125 level, which is nicely hit. As soon as the target hit, explain to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. As you can see here from this breakout, how many opportunities we have availed. And that's what exactly we do. We analyze market in intraday and refine an entry and exit in intraday and through 4-hour and banking profit every single day. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time. That's the interesting part of it. And if you are struggling in forex trading, and this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time with the live audio commentary, with the live market intraday analysis, that's the best way to develop with the live market, not the historical part of it, with the live market. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. And if you are interested how I coach and train with the live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are an experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading. And I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.